Welcome back to a Saturday. It's quite early in the morning at the moment. Yep, we're down here. Noise is already going on, so that's good. Pete mate's going to come down in about half an hour. We're going to get one of his cars out. We've got two each in here. So one at the back, obviously. Why not? Wouldn't be the one at the front. So yeah, we've got to get Frank out of the way, get some of my tools out of the way, load up the car, some of my car while I'm here, with some tools and junk. Just take that home at least so we're ready. So yeah, we'll help him get his car loaded up and get it out of here, and then we can then come back and concentrate on Frank. A little bit more space. And yeah, 3 weeks to go. I'm about to get a tow bar fitted as well in the next few days for my Safira. I think that's my only plan at the moment. Drive up to Yorkshire, grab a trailer, bring it back, collect one of my cars, take it back, drop it off, come back with the trailer, collect another one of my cars, take it back, leave the trailer, come home, move Frank. No, don't want to leave the trailer. So the day we come back the second time with the trailer, we'll move Frank across into our single garage at home, take that Mini out, take that to Dad's, then come home without the trailer. And we've also got to measure Frank today to see if he's actually fit. So I'm starting to think he's not even going to fit in my garage, so we might have to, as someone suggested the other day or whatever, dump the 6R4 kit and just make it a Metro. Okay, we've got some cars spun round. Just waiting for Pete to turn up. Pete mate, where are you, Pete mate? And yeah, just left Frank outside. It was, well, it is spitting a bit this morning, but luckily I've got the louvs in, so okay, the filler's all going to get wet. That's a bit silly, isn't it? But yeah, Frank's outside. Once we get his car loaded up, we can then get back inside and work out what the hell we're doing today. Even though it's raining, I do fancy slapping some paint on. Using the word slap there. Like, he started to come down a bit harder. Look, put a cover on it. That looks like a real Metro 6R4 now. Hey, you won't be able to tell the difference. Okay, maybe you spot the wheels. But yeah, look, real 6R4. As good as any show car that is now at the moment. Okay, one gone. Got my pickup left. And Pete mate's last Mini. So we've got a bit more space, which is actually not a good thing to have. So yeah, let's get Frank in and out of the wet. Let's try and do some work before lunch. We'll go pick the missus up, I think, because it's a bit rainy, so I'll give her a lift to work and then we'll nip back in the afternoon. Alright, we've got Frank back inside. Tailgate off for some reason. I thought it might be easier to sort out the bumper. And anyway, I just wanted to get out of the way. There's a little bit of rust up the roof here, because I just want to sort that out. Taking this rear wing off, because again, we haven't done down this bottom of the sill area now, like we did the other side, even though we haven't finished the other side off, have we? And yeah, just trying to take some of the body kit off, because it's just takes up way too much space until we can get rid of that bench. That we need to get rid of the bench. We need to get rid of that. Not too sure what's for tea tonight. Burgers. I did have some leftover heaters for my lunch, but I haven't got that yet, so I have to go home and get that as well. But yeah, and now the sun decides to come out, and while it rains. Okie dokie, purely cosmetic things. Little rust hole there. Bang, little bit of filler. And while we were at the roof, we got rid of the aerial hold as well, because that's very important. We've still got our wet list over there. But yeah, I am just wondering, I've got the roof paint for the roof. We're going two-tone. Anyway, I've got the paint for the roof, so I'm tempted just to do something in the afternoon and smack it. We'll just run over it with a 500. And yeah, Bob's your uncle. But anyway, let's get on with do some welding. So what we've got to do down here, do you remember last time on the other side? We've got that support, that's the crossbar for the diff. We're going to cut that all off. And yeah, this sill side isn't as bad, but yeah, what we've got to try and do is do the seatbelt point if we can. So let's get it jacked up a bit and have a look. Okay, cutting and grinding. Seems like this side's not quite the same as the other side, but I've just done another look and the seals does taper upwards, so we'll just do our best. Yeah, as I said, not a bad repair this side. And yeah, I'm sitting here thinking I should make this a sleeper metro now. I really should. Tell me I'm wrong. Tell me. Keep with the 6R4, Matthew. Come on, in the comments. Keep going. Who wants to drive around in a metro? No one. Okie dokie, didn't film it on time lapse. Yeah, I don't know if it's as neat as the other side, but again, covered in a body kit, and OCD people, you can't see both sides at the same time. So it'll do. I think what we need to do is take the wheel off now so we can get to this back area, so we can sort of finish off this back of this arch and block that hole in. And yeah, I just started rubbing down a little bit of the roof bits and bobs, just because yeah, it just distracts me for a little bit. How's everybody else doing? What are you having for tea? Burgers, I think. I'm going to try and go burgers for tea. Looking for the wheel nut adapter. I ended up starting to clean my bench up like that, eh? Wow. Yeah, okay. Still got all this crap. Anyway, we're just cleaning up this hole, trying to get rid of some of the old Subaru that's not needed. Just trying to make it squarish. Follow the line down. Again, I made that line up. And yeah, maybe 2 bits just to make it simpler. Let's block the old boy. Okie dokie, got back from lunch. That's a good hour, 2 hours. Stopped there, had lunch, made lunch for the wife, took her to work, did the burger shopping. But before we did all that, there was some really loud music going on, so I didn't record. But if you can see, we've got a hole filled in. Bit of tiger seal, bit of etch. So yeah, we've got that side plugged in. So what I'm going to do now is pop the wheel on, and I fancy just spending the next 2 hours before we've got to go painting a roof. So let's see what we can get done. There, we're getting there. So what we're doing is we're just going over 500 it all over. Should put filler foam on some of these bits, but I spotted one bit down the door pillar there that we just need to put some filler on. Big truck. So yeah, I just need to sort of, I've gone over the whole area with the DA, most of it. We'll obviously put a panel wipe it all off, do it professionally. I've got to get down in the gutters a little bit more now, because what I'm thinking of doing is, I think we'll just do down into the gutter, to the back edge, and then the gutter would be the main colour of the car. That's what I'm going to do anyway, I guess. Do I? I think so. And along the back here, I think we'll just mask up along the bottom there and just paint the bottom of the roof. This bit can stay car colour as well. So what I'm going to do is sand the spoiler as well, rear spoiler, because that's going to match the roof colour as well. I think that'll look good. Okie dokie, surgically mask the car up. I think I could perform brain surgery in this place. I'm going to throw a dust sheet over everything else. And yeah, try and wipe it down, and let's just mix up some paint. I think that's the end of the day, innit? I can't. It's on and off, it's raining, it's not raining, which is a good sign because it keeps all the dust down. And it's quite warm in here because I'm sweating my... Brilliant. Anyway, keep on going, Matthew. Oh, it's very orange. There we go. Yeah, orange and green, that's what we're doing. To my dad. So yeah, I don't think we need all of it, so we'll mix a small bit up, give it a couple of coats. We can always mix up some more. And yeah, so I won't film the bit painting because I'm no good at it and it's all dangerous and you shouldn't do what I do. So yeah, hopefully come back in half hour and see something painted. Oh! Yeah, paint, first coat, obviously a bit blotchy on the top. But hey, it'll look better in a minute. Got a bit of crap in that side. I must have surprisingly got a bit of, picked up something somewhere. Not too sure why. Anyway, it's orange and it can be polished back. Very loud music next door. Anyway, 2 coats down. Mixed up some more, so we've got another 2 coats. Well, we've got this opportunity in my dirty shirt. If you want me to get a clean shirt, become a Patreon maybe. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. I'll wash my shirt for me next week. But anyway, if you want to help support me, check out the description down below. Loads of different ways, Amazon, wishlist, Patreon. Just hitting the like button's a good thing, and sharing with your mates down the pub. And we best get off this in case I'll get copyrighted for whatever this music is. Sneaky peek! Third coat, one more to go, because that's all I'm going to do, sod it. Have an issue with flies at the moment. I guess you don't get that in your spray booth, do you, you professionals? So yeah, I went to try and pick it off and all 6 legs just stayed there, so. Anyway, what can we do? Smack another coat on. As some paint shop boys that I used to work next door to taught me. Smack it! Okay, everyone ready? This is still drying. I'm just wrapping up for the day. You've got to understand, this is a glorified pig shed. I haven't prepped the area. It's not a spray booth. I'm not a sprayer. I'll have a 40 quid spray gun that I've always used off Amazon. I even forgot to filter. Put the filter in. It is what it is. It's a rally car, so it's gonna have dirt in anyway. So now I've put dirt in the paint. So yeah, here we go. No holds barred. Yeah, it's bright, isn't it? Look, look in. Little fly, look at that little bugger. Obviously, I should have just shut the doors already. It doesn't stop everything. And look, obviously, look at that. Yes, I think everyone that knows my channel now appreciates what I do, and we just get in and muck in and just get on and do it. It's just a bit of fun for your entertainment. But look, I can see the light, the reflection that's like glass. Is well, again, my paint shop buddies used to tell me it's like glass. Oh, look at that. I won't go to the other side because there's definitely more poopy in it. That's not bad, look. I can see the logo. So, well, see how flat it dries. So we've got 4 coats on, 4.5 maybe in the middle. And yeah, orange, innit? Team Orchard, Dad, Team Orchard. So yeah, got a little twist on the green, which I expect some of you can guess, but we'll, yeah, not quite ready to do the body yet. I might do the body sooner rather than later because then it allows me to get all the windows in. It's just more stuff that I've just got, I can't keep laying around everywhere. So yeah, even if we just spray the top half of the body so we can get windows in. Go away, fly, I can see flies. But anyway, thumbs up. Yeah, I thought about painting today, didn't think I was going to do it. I'm sure all the paint will come off in the first time we drive it down the road and it'll just flake off. But anyway, let's get out of here before I die. Have a good weekend. Patrons, I'll catch up with you tomorrow. I'll do a catch up little video.